Welcome to this Flipdish tutorial. Today we're going to look at updating your menu through your Lightspeed POS integration with Flipdish. The first thing you need to do is log in to your Lightspeed account. When you arrive on the Lightspeed dashboard, click Products on the left-hand side of the page. All your product categories will be displayed below the Products tab. As you can see, we have lots of different product categories such as sandwiches, salads, and side dishes. For this demo, I'm going to change the price of one of the sandwiches. So I simply click on the Sandwich tab and then on the sandwich that I wish to change the price of. I then go to the price box and add whatever price I like. I then click OK to confirm the price change. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to add a product using Lightspeed. For this, all I have to do is click the Add Product button in the top left corner of whichever category I would like the product to sit in. In this case, I would like to add a new sandwich, and since I'm already in the sandwich category, I can go straight to the Add Product button. Then in the box that pops up, I just add a name, price, and a kitchen name for the product. This might differ from the customer-facing name and may be more descriptive for your kitchen staff. Once you're happy with it, click OK and the product is created. Now, to confirm these changes, you have to go to app.flipdish.com and log in with your username and password that we provided you. Then select your restaurant name on the left-hand side of the page. For this demo, our restaurant is called Lightspeed. Then click the Manage tab and scroll down the page. You will then see the Update Menu from Lightspeed button. Click this and the update log will pop up. This will show the two changes that I made to the menu, and once you click Close, the changes are complete. Now, if you want to check if everything has gone through okay, or you want to add menu images, you can go to portal.flipdish.com and log in with the same username and password as you did on app.flipdish.com. Then simply click the menu shortcut underneath the sales graph on the Flipdish portal homepage. As you can see, the new price of the teriyaki beef sandwich is now visible, and so is the new sandwich we created. Please note that menu images can only be added through the Flipdish portal and won't display if you add them in Lightspeed. Descriptions of products can also only be added or edited in the Flipdish portal, and these will not affect future menu updates. However, to avoid reporting issues, name changes of products should only be done through Lightspeed and not the Flipdish portal. And that's it. That's how simple it is to update your menu using your Lightspeed Flipdish integration. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions around updating your menu through Lightspeed, contact us on help@flipdish.com. Thanks for watching.